Hello guys, welcome to the another session of cricket basic skills. In this session, I'm gonna discuss with you about the basic grip of a pace bowler. So, what should be the basic grip of a pace bowler that we are going to discuss in this session? Guys, if you are a young cricketer, you have to stick with your basic grip. So let me tell you the basic grip, how to hold the ball if you are a beginner or a young cricketer. So see this, here is the ball. So how to grip the ball for pace bowling, you have to keep your index finger and middle finger besides the seam. The seam should be in between the middle finger and the index finger, such that there should be the gap between the middle finger and the index finger should be 1 finger gap. As you can see here, it should be the 1 finger gap between there, not more than that. 1 finger gap should be there, and then after your thumb will rest on the seam under the ball. Then after your ring finger and little finger will act as a support. It will give the support to the ball. So this will be the basic grip. It is the basic grip for the youngsters and the beginners. So you stick with this grip. First of all, enhance this grip bowling. Then after, you begin with the variations of the pace bowling, such as in swing, out swing, cutters. So many variations are there. Then after, back of the hand. So that variations you start doing afterwards, later on. First of all, make yourself perfect in this grip, then after go for next thing. So children, I will request you in the beginning, don't go for in swing or out swing or cutter. You stick with your basic grip first of all. Now children, now guys, I will tell you the drill. What type of drill you can do in this for enhancing this grip. So guys, I was telling about the drill. What type of drill you can do, you can follow at home. Whenever you are sitting free, you can do this thing. Take the ball in your basic grip. Then after, you can do one thing like this. You can hold the grip and do like this. Try to do like this. This will enhance the skill of your releasing the ball with the grip. Whenever you will release the ball, you will release on the seam. So this will enhance your this skill. Or one more skill you can do, one more drill you can do at home. That is, you hold the ball in your basic grip. Then after, do the wrist upright, and in front you take any partner with you. That partner will stand in front, and what you have to do, you have to release the ball keeping your wrist upright, and then release the ball like this way. So this way guys, you can learn how to release the ball on the seam. This is one of the best drill, children and guys. And before that, what I told you, that is also a good drill for you. Thank you children. Thank you guys.